my god, it's so cold, it's so freezing. Okay.
Okay.
So it's our last morning in Switzerland. We spent 10 days here. Some of the most amazing scenery. A lot of trains to catch.
Miss some train.
We missed our train.
But we end up having a great view, so it's all good.
Yeah, oh, but food is so expensive here. But okay, the auntie in me is always screaming when we manage to find a baguette at the supermarket. And it's so nice to come home to a home cooked meal. And like, yeah, I love it when every morning we think about what to cook at night. Yeah. We try to save money as much as I think our cooking level has kind of like increased a little bit. Yeah. A little bit.
Be a good man inside.
Wow, queen size.
Did everything that you think.
Eating chicken?
On top of Bergen stop.
Didn't seem to do you any
My favorite and most memorable moment is probably paragliding between the valleys of Lauterbrunnen. Hello, today we are here in Lauterbrunnen and the agenda for today is paragliding! Woo! Are you flying? He's going to fly.
I'm the pilot.
Because usually when I think of paragliding, I think of like paragliding over a lake, over some scenery. But then going in between the valleys and like going above all the houses that locals live in, like it's just such a cool experience. It's something different that I know I won't get in other countries. Yeah, so it's really quite memorable for me. I love that too. Yeah.
It'll be alright.
Paragliding?
Check!
Yeah, for me it's different. It's not, well, it's not my favorite moment, but it's still memorable.
I think you'll remember it for a long time. long.
So we took this iconic train railway from Zermatt to St. Moritz. It's called the Gliss Express, and we passed by this Landwasser viaduct. And once we reached our accommodation in St. Moritz, we went to the viaduct and to get a better shot of it. So I decided to fly my drone twice, and the second time around I was greedy because I wanted to get a better shot. And lo and behold, I crashed it by the cliff near the Landwasser viaduct, and it's there for the rest of eternity. So I hope my drone gets to experience the change of seasons of Switzerland and see how beautiful Switzerland is. So part of me is still in Switzerland.
What are you saying? Yeah, he's been listening to Celine Dion songs. It's like experiencing a heartbreak. Yeah, he lost his baby, so yeah, quite sad for him. But well, speaking of Zermatt, oh my god, Zermatt was my absolute favourite city. It's this really small, quaint little town. It's car free, so you walk everywhere. There's like little buses, but I think the main highlight was when we decided to wake up and watch the sunrise at Riflesea. So it's this famous lake that's right in front of Matterhorn. Whoa. Oh, Matterhorn is the Toblerone mountain, by the way. Yeah. Oh shit! So there were a few times on this hike, on this trip, that we saw the sunrise at the mountains, and like sometimes it was just like a layer of fog. You can't see anything. You have to like guess where the mountains are. So I didn't really expect much. I was like, okay, maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't. Oh my god! But it was the best weather. Like our entire trip, we had the best weather that morning. It was literally the sun creeping up the mountain, like you know the image that you see on the Mac OS. That's not wallpaper.
Picture perfect.
It was so amazing. Yeah, I really loved it. Super memorable for me.
So hard to decide which one is the favorite moment.
So we hiked so much, we chased so many trains. We even took the steepest
We went to the viral funicular ride.
Yes, yeah.
We're now on Europe's steepest funicular.
The incline is 106 degrees.
The views here are pretty insane. Look how clear the water is. It's pretty blue. Wow.
Oh, we
Come on.
almost didn't make it because when we reached, the woman told us there's only tickets up but not down, and the only way down was to hike like
2 hours.
Yeah,
2 hours.
And we were at risk of like missing our last bus back to accommodation. It was like an hour and a half back.
So we
hour
was,
back.
yeah, we were
Well,
so
we
ready
decided-
to not
Just give it up.
Yeah, not go for
And
that. Right?
yeah, so we were going to like book tickets
Yeah.
for the next day, and then we went there. She's like, oh, by the way, 3 people didn't turn out for the ride down, so I have 3 tickets.
Yeah, it's like not 1, not 4 people, but
But
just
3.
3.
The universe
just
had
nice.
us.
Yeah, the universe had our back. Yeah, so
Yeah, so I think overall we missed some trains. We screwed up a few times,
Yeah.
but overall like it was still really
It's part of
good trip. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
definitely miss Switzerland. Definitely miss Switzerland.
definitely miss waking up to all the views and like seeing the mountains. It's like the main.
Hearing the cowbells.
Yeah.
Don't want to go home.
Yeah, we don't want to go home.
But
But I guess we gotta say
Yeah.
goodbye and come to
see you
the end.
next trip.
Bye.